It's Martina, and I'm here again with a different color, something more winterish. Yeah, green and blue at the side, and just green at the back. As you can see, looking lovely. When you go inside, like indoors, it's not going to show really bright, but when you come out in the sun, it's gonna show like bright.
Thank you, boo.
Okay, apples. To start off, I use like 2 scoops of the BW, which is basic white, and just about like a full scoop of the 20 volume developer. And I'm mixing them together to get the consistency that I like. And then I'll proceed to getting her hair blonde. Her hair will not be fully blonde, like a bright blonde or like a platinum blonde, because if you watch one of my previous videos, which is when I colored her hair red, it um it was red and it grew out a little and she darkened it back. Now, quick tip, when you color your hair, if the color is not grown out or you haven't reversed the color, then when you put another color over it, that same color is still there. So even though your hair is black, it's still red. Like the color payoff like it's still red. So if you should go in, even though like when she put the black over it, when I go in I get like a dark brown color, so her hair didn't come out bright blonde or like platinum. But say for instance your hair is naturally black, then when I go in with the bleach it would come off like a bright yellowish blonde. So I have several coloring tutorials such videos here on my channel, and I'll link it above right now in the iCards. You can go and check them out after watching this video. And I love playing around with colors, and you can look forward to see many more color tutorials with various colors, because guys, I'm excited to bring forth way more creativity to you guys, so stay tuned for that. Since you've reached this far, could you please hit that like button, leave your comments, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and share with your family and friends.
Don't know what you're mad.
So the first color I'll be added is the Arctic Fox Aquamarine. After adding the aquamarine to the middle portion at the front, I will be mixing green and aquamarine for the sides. Then after that, I'll be going in with just the green towards the back.
I do some of the work too.
Yes.
One love, yeah. Love you, apples. So I have blue at the top, green at the side, and kind of greenish blue at the back. That's it.
Green and blue at the sides.
Oh, sorry.
Come now, Tina. Tina, come.